Hola, it's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at Umzu, back again today on this beautiful afternoon talking about what is ginseng. Let's get into it. So, ginseng is a medicinal herb that has various benefits associated with it and is one of the most well-researched herbs that I have personally seen, along with ashwagandha, Rhodiola Rosea, and a couple of other herbs. The most studied form of ginseng is actually Panax ginseng, also known as Asian ginseng or Korean ginseng. Panax is derived from the Greek meaning of all healing, kind of like the word panacea that you'll see here in a minute on the next slide. So ginseng was first discovered in the mountains of northern China more than 5,000 years ago and has since been used for its almost unbelievable benefits. So the main compounds that we see in ginseng that are related to the benefits of ginseng are the ginsenosides. So this is a group of over 100 molecules that are all found within the ginseng plant and play a role in its various physiological benefits. So some of the many benefits that are associated with this particular herb or ingredient are increases in cognition, increases in male reproductive health, decreases in inflammation, decreases in stress, decreases in fatigue, and some studies show promising effects of these molecules in cancer and tumors, which is really cool. So the most common doses to supplement with this herb are around 200 to 400 milligrams. Some people have even seen benefits with doses as little as 40 milligrams, but the most effective doses, especially for the cognitive benefits, are going to be more around the 400 milligram range. So if you're looking to get a good cognition boost or brain boost, then supplementing closer to the 400 milligram per day is probably going to give you the best bang for your buck. But that's really all I have to say about ginseng today. If you learned something, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with tons of more content on this. I really love giving you guys information, so please make sure to subscribe and keep up with that. And then comment down below with anything that you would like to see in the future. Anything that you would like to see my perspective on or like to see me kind of break apart, please comment that down below and I'll try to make a video out of it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.